my friends! Today is a sweet day, and the reason is because we will try to make together a date pie. Yes, a date pie. It's a very Greek typical recipe and very easy. We take a mixer, and in the mixer bowl we will add the white egg, some of vanilla and a pinch of salt, and here we have sugar powder. The sugar powder, we will add it in 2-3 steps as we are heating our white eggs. Let's start together and put our ingredients. Looks how beautiful is our meringue. Must be very hard. Now we add, look how hard she is. Okay. We add the walnuts, the dates chopped. We take it in a pan and we put it in the oven for 30 minutes in a low temperature, between 150 to 170 degrees. Our pan is 30 centimeters. Let's take it in the oven. Meanwhile, let's make the cream that we will cover our date pie when it's ready. I need mascarpone, sugar powder, and whipped cream. All in the bowl, and we turn on the mixer. Our whipped cream is ready, as you can see. We take it in the freeze as we're waiting for the date pie. When it's ready, we will cover it with this and some roasted slices of almond.